Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation. My name is Nasharil and I'll be presenting on the influence of virtual literature circles on students' literary competence. So the background of this study is as follows. The first one, it involves using virtual literature circles, aiming and addressing at students' literary competence, which is divided into two, which are literary reading comprehension skill and literary analysis skill. So the students that I'll be using that I've used for my research, they are the International Baccalaureate Diploma students. So the research questions are as follow. So you can pause the video and read the research question. Essentially, the first research question aims at looking at the students' literary reading comprehension skill, whilst the second one will be looking at students' literary analysis skill, and the final one, I'll be looking at the students' experiences upon participating in virtual literature circles. So from this, we can deduce that the methodology is as follows. Okay. So from the research question, we can clearly see that a mixed method research design was employed to obtain the rich information from the subject of the study, which are the International Baccalaureate Diploma Program students. So since it is using the mixed method analysis, so the research design will be used. They are the first one, the quantitative and also the qualitative. For the quantitative research design, I've used quasi-experimental with two groups of pre-test and post-test analysis, which involve 20 participants in each group, and they are from different schools in order to avoid biases. In order to analyze the quasi-experimental data, a one-way ANCOVA was used to analyze the data. On the other hand, for the qualitative research design, interview on 5 participants will be conducted and thematic analysis will be used to analyze the data. So from the mixed method explanatory sequential design and also the research design itself, the findings are as follows. The first null hypothesis claims that there is no significant difference between the experimental and control groups reading comprehension post-test mean score after participating in virtual literature circles while controlling for their pre-test score. On the other hand, the null hypothesis, which corresponds to the second research question, is there is no significant difference between the experimental and control group literary analysis post-test mean score after participating in virtual literature circles whilst controlling for their pre-test score. Based on the analysis using a one-way ANCOVA for both skills, there has been a significant improvement in terms of students' ability at analyzing and also at reading comprehension. So all in all, it was a positive feedback on the use of virtual literature circles on the students' literary competence based on the two skills. On the other hand, for the qualitative findings, I've also found that it is students regarded there are two major dimensions towards virtual literature circles, and I have divided them into benefits and also challenges, and they are further divided into several themes, and they are experience, social, cognitive, affective, technical, and practical. And the sub-themes from the experience are enjoyable new experience. They also regarded that they love the flexibility and accessibility of virtual literature circles as it be conducted online, and also they also value the collaborative learning that they are able to obtain from it. On the cognitive perspective, they value the ability to allow virtual literature circles ability to allow for critical reading, and in terms of affective, they value responsibility and self-directed learning that virtual literature circles had towards them. On the other hand, while there are a lot of benefits regarded by the students, they also claim that they have problems with the technical aspects, and it is conducted online to technological limitations, including internet, and also various other technological problems may have arisen from this. And also it may lost it also has lost in translation, meaning that it's quite difficult for them to get their message across. And finally, diffusion of responsibility. Some students are not doing their work very well. So that is it from me. Thank you very much.